Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the new tab page in Microsoft Edge browser on your PC. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So, first of all, open your Microsoft Edge browser. Here I'm gonna open it. And then, normally, you have to open a new tab by pressing on this plus icon. And now on the new tab page, look for a gear icon and here it is. So normally the name of it is page settings. So if you go there and click on it, you will see a pop-up window like this. And now if you scroll down a bit, you will see many options here. From here you can choose full page, partial view, headings, and so on. Similarly, you can adjust your language, region, and so many options are available from here. Just customize according to your needs. So that's all about today's video. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.